Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Planet Fitness discount promo codes which you can use on their website to get the discount. So first of all, go to the Google or open a browser and just write down the name of the website, which in our case is simplycodes.com. Just press enter, and once you press enter, so you will be at the homepage of simplycodes.com. On the right side you will see a search button. Just click on it, and inside the search section you just need to write down the name Planet Fitness. Let me just copy it and paste it here. Once you write down Planet Fitness, so you will see the Planet Fitness, as you can see, like this one. Just open it, and once you open it, Planet Fitness September coupon codes, as you can see, 2025, and 71 active members are tracking right now the deals for today. As you can see, last verified was about 29 minutes ago, which means that the coupon codes are being updated on daily basis. So make sure to scroll down. As you can see, the status as well, verified, verified, verified. Scroll down, click on show more, and you will see a list of all the promo codes which are listed. You can see the use time as well, 155, 113, 8.6k, 29k times, free 1 month, and $10 off, 28k times, $15, 17k times. Let's say I want to go this one with this one, 15% off. Just click on view code. Let it just load. So you will see the code like this one. As you can see, click on copy, and the code will be copied. After that, you can just click on shop at Planet Fitness, and they will redirect you to their website. From there, you can just apply the coupon code on their website and get the discount, which in our case is 15%. You can try other codes as well. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get these codes.